Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Rockfish just changed this food web, and the answer comes fast if you track who eats whom instead of guessing from complicated ecosystem wording. According to the figure, rockfish prey on blue crabs, so start with that direct feeding link. If rockfish numbers rise, they hunt more blue crabs. That relationship matters most here. Now, check the choices carefully. We want the most likely result of increasing rockfish. So the strongest answer follows the immediate predator-prey connection, not a longer chain about energy. That means blue crabs should decrease because more rockfish creates more predation on them. And that matches option D exactly, so lock it in. Well done! Option D. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given relationships and check each step before picking the most direct effect.